Hey guys, it's Leah and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another fall video. I'm going to be making this tablescape with supplies completely from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. Here's what I bought from the Dollar Tree. I know it just looks like a bunch of random stuff, but I promise it all comes together in the end. I bought lots of pumpkins to paint. I got a 3-pack of burner covers, maple leaves, I got a few buffalo check baby blankets to use as table runners. I bought these purple vases and then these grass stems. I used leftover chalk paint to paint the pumpkins. I tried to spray paint them at first, but it didn't cover very well, so I switched to hand painting. This lighter color took about 2 coats of paint. Then I painted a few pumpkins in duck egg blue. I love this color and it only took 1 coat of paint. I used acrylic paint to paint the stems brown. Then I spray painted these purple vases in a couple coats of white spray paint. I did the same thing to the grass afterwards, and the grass took a few coats to really get into the groove and cover up all the purple and orange. Then I used more spray paint to frost the maple leaves. They went a little crazy and blew around a bit, but it ended up working okay once they got a little paint on them. If you're enjoying this video, take a second to hit subscribe below and tap the bell so you never miss a video. I got this chicken burner set to use as a 3-tiered tray. I spray painted the burner set and then the 2 candlesticks, and then I used Gorilla Glue to hold this stand together. I wanted some Farmhouse Crates, so I flipped over these wall signs and painted them with gel stain. I did lots of dry brushing to mimic the look of wood grain. I couldn't find any signs without these eye holes, so I ended up covering those with a few maple leaves. I painted this velvet pumpkin with a coat of chalk paint. I really like the look of the painted velvet, so in the future I'd buy a few more of them. I used stickers from the wall decal section to make a fall plate, and you can learn more about how I did that in my last video. And here's the Dollar Tree tablescape all put together. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you next project.